Hello class 1. Good afternoon. So class 1, as your exams are near and it is a need to revise your chapters, and we have already started it in the live class. So in your live class it was your revision 1 in which we had revised the poem What Does Little Birdie Say, and I have told you to learn and write in your notebook. It was your revision 2, revision 1, and today we are going to have revision 2. So put today's date. What is the date today? Today is 20th of October 2020. Put heading as revision 2. Revision 2, as your revision 1 was What Does Little Birdie Say, the poem. Okay? Now, your first question is rhyming words. Write, W-R-I-T-E, write the rhyming words. Write the rhyming words of. So, the rhyming words of A, B, C and D. Okay. So, the words are with. You have to write the rhyming word of with. Boy, rhyming word of boy. Rhyming word of goat. And rhyming word of pet. Now, tell me, what do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming word क्या होते हैं? The same sound words are called rhyming words. The same sound words are called rhyming words. There are many rhyming words of with. Okay? With. The last sound should be I-G, egg. Okay? With, big, dig, pig. There are many rhyming words. So I am writing B-I-G, big. Here, B-O-Y, boy. There are many rhyming words. Joy, toy. So I am writing toy. Here, the rhyming word for goat is coat, boat, throat, float. We have to write just one. Pet, net, set, let, jet. Many rhyming words are there. So here, question number 1 ends. You have to write rhyming words of. Now, question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 says that, okay, write the words starting with same sound. Same sound से start होने वाले words लिखने हैं. And here also we are going to give you 4 words. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now write the words starting with the same sound means अगर एक word है like big. Big starts with B. Toy. Toy starts with T. to write a new word. So the words are, suppose apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apple starts with A. The sound is A. Next, net. Net starts with N. So you have to write one more word starting with sound N. Third is K. Cat. Cat starts with sound K. So you can write any letter starting with sound K. और यहाँ पर आप kite भी लिख सकते हो because kite also starts with K and cat also starts with K. Next is sail. S-A-I-L, sail. So sail starts with sound S. Okay. Now we are going to write the answers. Apple. Apple. Ant. Net. Noon. N-O-O-N, noon. Cat. Camera. Cool. Or I should write camera only because it is given in your book also. Sail. Sofa. Okay, so write down these two questions fast. The first question is write the rhyming words and the second question is write the words starting with the same sound. Write the words starting with the same sound. वर्ड्स जिस साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं उसी साउंड से स्टार्ट होने वाला एक दूसरा वर्ड यहाँ लिखना है. एप्पल, एंट. नेट, नून. कैट, कैमरा. सेल, सोफा. Okay, now I will give you question number 3 and it will be the question underline the naming words. Underline the naming words. And the fourth question will be name the days of the week. So shall I erase it? Write it fast so that I could erase it. Revision 2 of English. Question number 3. And the question is underline the naming words. Underline the naming words. Underline the naming words. You will be getting some sentences. आपको अभी मैम सेंटेंस लिख के देगी, ठीक है? और उन सेंटेंस में नेमिंग वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करना है. Number 1. words are names of person, place, animal, thing. जिस भी चीज को, जिस भी पर्सन को, जिस भी प्लेस को और जिस भी एनिमल को हम जिस नाम से जानते हैं वही नाम नेमिंग वर्ड होते हैं. ओके, लाइक हियर द इज नॉट अ नेम, इज नॉट अ नेम एंड शाइनिंग इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ नेम, क्योंकि शाइनिंग का मतलब तो चमकना होता है. सो व्हाट इज द नेम? सन इज द नेम. सो वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन sun. Number 2. Number 2 is the baby is in the baby is in a crib. A crib. Okay, what do you mean by crib? This word crib. Crib means जो छोटे बच्चे का पालना होता है ना, जिसे हम क्रेडल भी कहते हैं. This is a crib. The baby is in a crib. Here there are two naming words. Baby means छोटा सा बच्चा and crib means पालना. So here baby is the name of a person and crib is the name of a thing. Now number 3. Number 3 is the mother asks the child to rest a little longer. To rest a little longer. The mother asks the child to rest a little longer. What is the naming word? Here mother means name of a person is the naming word and child is the naming word. Write it fast so that I could erase and write number 4. Our next question is write the names of the days of the week. Shall I erase it? This you need to write in your classwork notebook. Revision 2 आपको classwork notebook में लिखना है. And no need to repeat it in the homework notebook. Homework notebook में repeat नहीं करना है. Just once you have to write in classwork notebook. जब मैम लाइव क्लास में आपसे मिलेगी ना, तब बताएगी कि ये वाला रिविजन आपको वापस से रिपीट करना है या नहीं. Okay, now I am erasing it as I have to write question number 4. Revision 2 English question number 4. See, the cereal that I am using here are called Roman numbers. have to write in your answer scripts at home. Now your question is, write the names of the days of the week. Class 1, remember it carefully. Whenever you are writing the names of the days of the week, it should be in a sequence. वो सीक्वेंस में होना चाहिए. वो मंडे से स्टार्ट होगा, संडे पे खत्म होगा. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए कि मंडे के बाद आपने थर्सडे लिख दिया, थर्सडे के बाद आपने ट्यूसडे लिख दिया, ट्यूसडे के बाद आपने फ्राइडे लिख दिया. इट शुड बी इन अ सीक्वेंस with the number. So the answer is, first day of the week is Monday. MONDAY. The second day of the week is Tuesday. TUESDAY. The third day of the week is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. 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 The fifth day of the week is Friday. 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 The sixth day of the week is Saturday. SATURDAY. And the seventh day of the week is Sunday. SUNDAY. Okay? Although the story of the red raincoat starts with the day Sunday. हमारा जो स्टोरी है कोर्स बुक का, वो कौन से डे से स्टार्ट होता है? संडे से स्टार्ट होता है ना? Yes. Write it fast. Now with the help of these days, let us revise the story, The Red Raincoat. I am reading it out. जब तक आप लिख रहे हो, I am reading it out, the story. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Sunday को मनु के पेरेंट्स ने उसे रेड रेनकोट ला कर दिया. नेक्स्ट, माँ, मे आई वियर इट नाउ? आस्क्ड मनु. माँ, क्या मैं इसे अभी पहन सकता हूँ? No, my dear, the rains are near, but just now the sky is clear. That means, मनु ने कहा, मम्मा मुझे इसे पहनना है. मम्मा ने कहा, अभी तो बारिश नहीं होगी. बारिश होगी लेकिन कुछ समय बाद, कुछ दिनों बाद. तो अभी तो स्काई क्लियर है. मंडे वॉज ब्राइट एंड सनी. नेक्स्ट डे मंडे भी ब्राइट एंड सनी था. मनु को चांस नहीं मिला कि वो रेनकोट पहन सके. देन ही आस्क्ड, विल इट रेन टुडे? माँ, उसने पूछा कि क्या आज बारिश होगी? नो मनु, नॉट टुडे. इफ यू वियर अ रेनकोट यू विल लुक क्वाइट फनी. अगर आप आज रेनकोट पहनोगे तो बड़े फनी लगोगे. Then on Tuesday the sky was blue. Tuesday को भी sky जो था वो blue था. माँ, when will my wish come true? said Manu. मम्मा, मेरी wish कब पूरी होगी? Not today, my dear. There is just one cloud in the sky, said माँ. माँ ने कहा कि आज तो सिर्फ एक ही क्लाउड है. आज तो आपकी विश पूरी नहीं होगी. Wednesday was hot. And the next day, Wednesday was hot. माँ, why doesn't it rain? asked Manu. मम्मा, बारिश क्यों नहीं हो रही? Son, I think it will rain very soon, maybe even before noon. मम्मा ने कहा कि हो सकता है बहुत जल्दी बारिश हो सकता है दोपहर तक बारिश हो जाए. Then Wednesday also went. Wednesday ऐसे ही चला गया, बारिश नहीं हुई. On Thursday, when Manu went on a picnic. Thursday, Manu picnic गया. What if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me? asked Manu. अब मनु क्यों कर रहा था वेट बारिश होने का? Because उसके पास न्यू रेड रेनकोट था जिसे वो पहनना चाहता था. इसीलिए वो हर रोज पूछता था. मंडे को पूछा उसने, ट्यूसडे को पूछा, वेडनेसडे को पूछा, है ना, कि बारिश कब होगी कब होगी कब होगी. लेकिन बारिश तो हो नहीं रही थी. फिर थर्सडे को फाइनली वो जब पिकनिक जाने लगा उसने अपनी मम्मा से पूछा, शैल आई टेक माई रेनकोट बिकॉज व्हाट इफ इट रेन्स? अगर बारिश हो गई तो? No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky, said Ma. मम्मा ने फिर बोला, आज तो बारिश नहीं होगी क्योंकि जो बादल है वो बहुत हाई है. हाई मतलब एकदम आसमान में बहुत ऊंचाई पे है. Friday was cloudy, but the next day it was cloudy. The Friday was cloudy. Ma, will it rain today? asked Manu loudly. माँ ने loudly पूछा. माँ से मनु ने लाउडली पूछा, क्या आज बारिश होगी? माँ ने कहा, It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said माँ. माँ ने कहा कि कुछ बादल तो हैं. Then on Saturday it began with a bang. बहुत जोर से थंडरस्टॉर्म हुआ. प्रभु, माँ, is that thunder? I hear. Will it rain very soon? asked Manu. क्या बारिश होने वाली है? And then at last it started raining. और सच में बारिश हो गई. But Manu called Ma, running after him. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu running out. और बारिश हो रही, बारिश आई बोल के मनु घर से बाहर दौड़ता हुआ चला गया. और माँ उसके पीछे दौड़ी ये बोलती हुई, But Manu called Ma, running after him, you forgot your raincoat. है ना, जिस बारिश के इंतजार में मनु was since Sunday से Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday तक उसने वेट किया. 6 days पूरे वेट किए कि जब बारिश होगी I will put on my raincoat. But when finally it rained on Saturday, मनु तो अपना रेनकोट ले जाना ही भूल गया. So this was revision of the story, the red raincoat, and along with written revision 2. So class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.